This conference will now be recorded.
So do anyone remember what was the last topic yesterday we have been done with? Yeah, that's good. Thank you, Christina. It was a YouTube marketing. So did anyone try to create any content for the YouTube? So that is a video of at least 30 seconds or 1 minute. Okay. So let me try share the screen. So hope the screen is visible. So let not please type it as yes in case if the screen is visible. If not, type it as no. So if the screen is visible, please type it as yes. If the screen is not visible, please type it as no. Okay. Thank you for the responses. Give me a minute. So there is some network issue. Yeah. Hope my screen is now visible to everyone. So let me go to the so let me use the pixels.com to get some images related to my business. Sorry. So let me download this image. So let me add a few images. Okay, fine. I'll just keep it ready. Yeah. So let's assume it. These are the images. What I'm going to use it in my video. So how do I generate that? Fine. So let me go to a website. Either you can go to canva.com and you can be able to create a video. Okay. So in this, I can be able to choose with the video option. So let's assume it that I'm going to use a YouTube video design. So let me upload all the images which are required. Yeah, I've just added with all the images. Yeah. So let me put this image. So with this, if you want to add with any background, you can be able to add a background. So if you feel it that you can be able to add it with the frame. Suppose if you think that this background, whatever you have it on this image, if you want to remove it, as we have seen yesterday, the image watermark remover or with a background remover option is there. There is one more website called remove.bg. So this is one more website where I can be able to use it to remove the background of an image. So yeah, let me take this and let me download this, and let me go here and upload it, and I want to show you the difference of the image what I have it with this and what it is going to be with this. I've just taken image over there. Okay, so you can be able to add it like this. So you are going to use with certain tools which will make your content, it is going to be more catchy and more influenced kind of content. So let it not be copied from anywhere else. Okay, so try to use the tools whatever I'm going to refer with. Okay, so now this is one frame, we can say it. So each frame it is going to take a 5 seconds. Okay, so like this I have to add it with certain number of frames. So let me go to the second frame and see that what else we can be able to do with. So let me take the background as in this, and with this let me add with an image. Okay, so let me assume it that I'm going to highlight only this part. Okay, so brand personality and visual identity. So the next frame. So here it is. Okay, so let's assume it that this is one frame, and with this, if you want any other image, let me assume it that even this image. Okay, so let me put it in this way. Then so with this, I'll just add. Then one more image. So in this case, let me put some frames. Okay, so let me try to feed it up the content. I think this does not works. Okay, so let me add it. So it is a 30 seconds. So let me add it finally as a text. Okay, let me change the style of this. Okay, so with this, I'll just add one more. Then, yeah, fine. So I think this could be good for us to bring it. So let us have a look on the video what I have been created as of now. Yeah. So from this, so here you are not going to face any problem related either with the watermark or it could be anything else. So the content it is of your own. So you can be able to add your music anything over here. Okay. So it's a simple way what I've been prepared with the video. Okay. So let me download this. So immediately if you want to bring it up with any of your brand details, so you can be able to prepare it in a simple way. So there are many other tools as have been discussed in the last class. You can be able to use a different kinds of tools in that cases. So finally we will have a visualization of our video. How does it looks? Okay. So now very important part is you are going to save this file whatever you have been created now. So let me rename the file of this video. So it is digital coach Academy demo video. Okay, so now let me go to YouTube account, so which have been created a separate channel on the YouTube for this mail ID, and click on the name, go to the your channel option. So you can be able to see that yesterday we were not being able to see with the website option as well as on Facebook link option. Okay, so that if anyone wants to visit our website directly, they can be able to come to our channel description itself, so that they can be able to click directly on that website and it will take you to the website where we are looking for. So this will make the users coming to our website will help us to have more visibility. So it will help us to create the search engine optimization on our page. So it will be making us to keep on our content on the top of the result page. Okay. So the same way with the Facebook, if you have a Instagram account or with any other social media account, you can be able to give a link. So to give that, you should go for customized channel option. Now, if I want to go for adding the videos to our channel, so click on manage videos option. Then either on the dashboard or on the content option, you have a direct option as a create, or you have an option as upload videos. So click on upload videos, select files. So choose that video. So why I made that particular video file name into specific thing. So whatever the file name you are going to give it for your video, so that name it is going to get registered on your YouTube. So if it is found with any spamming names, so then it is a chances that it is going to be rejected with the videos. So certain times based on the file name, it is going to be rejected. So for that reason, we should be very clear that what is this video is all about. Okay. So let me choose with this video and click on it. So the same name it is going to be shown on the title, as well as here the file name also it is going to be shown. Okay. So this is the reason why we are mandatorily we are making the users to give the file name for their files. Either it is an image, or it could be a document, or it could be an videos also. So it is mandatory when you are going to create any content and you are going to upload it on your any of your digital platforms. Please make sure that it is been named with the proper name. Okay. And when you are going to give a title, so there should be at least one keyword should be used in that. So do you want to know about digital agency? Okay, so this keyword should be already added in your uh, channel description itself. So I'll put it with my the brand name also. So now here the description. So up to 5,000 characters you can be able to enter it. So let me add the description of this video. Okay, so let me keep it with this. At least one keyword should be added over here. Yeah. So minimum of 150 to 200 characters in your description will help you out to get the more visitors towards your video. The next thing is adding a thumbnail. So by default it has taken one of a part of your video, the image of your video. So this is what the poster it is going to be displayed when anyone is going to search for the video, and if your video it has been listed out in that search results. So if you want to upload your own image, so suppose it should not be selected by any one of it by the YouTube itself. If you want to upload it of your own images, then you are supposed to click on upload thumbnail option, and it is mandatory that you are supposed to verify with your contact number. So once you are going to click on the verify option, so it will be asking you to enter with your contact number and confirm it whether do you want the code number through SMS or through call. So you can be able to choose any one of it, and once it is been entered with the verification code, and you are going to get the message as verification congratulations, verification successfully done, then you can be able to get a option to add your own images whatever you wanted. Okay, so let me choose this. Okay, so the next thing is, so as I said that to make your videos or your channel popular, so try to create your own playlist. So playlist means at least you should have more than two or three of your videos, and you can prepare it as a playlist, and this playlist has to be displayed at the end of your video. Okay, so you can be able to create it when you are going to add more videos towards your channel. So as of now I have not been added, so this is the first video I am adding it. So we have to add it multiple videos to create the playlist. So the next thing is audience. Who is your audience? Is it the kids are your audience or non kids? So if it is a kids, then you can be able to select the option with the first one. So what is the difference you will be having it is, when you are going to create any content related to the kids, there are certain options it is going to be restricted automatically. Okay, so if you are not going to create the contents for not the kids, then choose with the second option. Then, do you have any age restrictions of watching this videos? So if it is any such content you want to restrict with a particular age people, then you can choose with this option and you can select that particular option where you can specify. Okay, yes. The next thing is click on show more option. So in this show more, you will be asked whether this video, whatever you are running it, is it a paid promotion? So that means are you advertising someone else's product and you are going to run it on this video? So that tomorrow there should be no any kind of a question should be raised by any of the brand people. Okay. So if in case if you have been given permitted to you, so you can be able to use with their brand names. The next, the tags. So you can be able to create your YouTube tags. So I can be refer with a website called rapidtags.io. So this is one of the tag generator website which will help you to get the keywords, which are the keywords which should be used in the particular content type or the category type and which are trending so that it is going to be found out on this website. So you can go to the rapidtags.io, click on the use tools for free, and here you can be able to give the content. So on what basis do you want to check with videos, digital marketing agency? If I type it, so let us see what are the keywords it appears. Suppose if I am going to use with only digital marketing, so these are the things what you are going to get with. Okay, so let me choose it as digital marketing consultant. Okay, so now let's assume it this is what I am going to look for. So at the end of the screen, you will be getting it as an I agree with the cookies. So accept that cookies, and then you will be able to get an option as a copy option. Click on copy. So once it is copied, you can go here and you can paste it. Right click, paste it. So you will be able to get all the hashtags, the tags what you have been received over there. You will be able to copy and paste it over here. It's not mandatory that you should take all those things in case if it is not relevant to your subject. So you can be able to remove it. So let's assume it tutorials. Okay. So within 500 characters, you are supposed to add with the tags. If it exceeds the 500 characters, the limitation, so you can be able to see this border line, which is now it is in the blue in line, blue in color. So it will turn it into red. So that means it is not going to accept with all the tags or keywords what you have been added with. Okay, so you have to remove certain things and make sure it is going to be within the limitation. The next thing is you are going to select with the category. So what category this is related to, you can choose with this. Then do you want the comments and the ratings from all the people, or do you want to restrict with the people, or do you want to take the action and then you want to display it on your video? So you can choose any one of these options. Then after making sure that everything has been selected, click on next. So now here you can be able to see the option called add subtitle, add an end screen, and add cards. So these options will not be appeared until and unless you have a video which is lesser than 25 seconds. If your video is less than 25 seconds, then these options will not be appeared. Since my video is more than 25 seconds, so I'm getting the options. In this, the first option, add subtitles. So it is not going to be shown because there is no character talking over there in that video. So since there is no character over there talking, so the subtitle option is not required. So it has been removed over there. The next thing is add an end screen. So you can be able to add an option that what should be shown at the end of the video. So whether do you want anyone to add with their channel name, so that you are promoting someone else's channel, or if you have your own other channels, or if YouTube is opened by a user without their login. So if they are not your existing subscriber, you can give your own channel subscription button, so that they are going to get subscribed. So if you want to give any such kind of a suggestions at the end of the video screen, then you can be able to choose with the option called add. So this option will appear only if your video is more than 25 seconds. Okay. So now you have to choose with any of this option. Okay. So let me choose this option. So by default, it has been taken as my logo, and the other one is you are supposed to select with. Okay, you can be able to choose with any option, or you can be able to choose with any particular video. So let me choose it in that one option as just default. Okay, so let me choose any one of this. So like this, I can be able to give a suggestion at the end of the video screen. So let me save this. Yeah, so we have been added with end screen. The next thing is add cards. If you have been observed any YouTube video, it is running on the top in between the video or while starting the video. So you can be able to see with the white suggestion screen on the top of the video. So that is considered as a card. Okay, so it will be showing some suggestions, so some information it will be keep on running over that. If you want to add such type of cards, so you can be able to select with this option. So as of now, let me say that it's not required. Click on next, and here it is going to check with our video whether this video is it something which is copied from anyone else's website, or is it been created of your own. So it will be checked with the plagiarism, so that if it is found, the copyright it is going to be applied, and there is a chance of blocking your channel if it is found more than 2 times. So since my video it is a unique video, there was no copy content, so it says no issues found with the right mark. Then click on next option, and here now we are supposed to save our video on the YouTube. There are three options. One is private. So in case if you want to send it to only those people who has to view the video, so that we can be able to select it as private. The next, unlisted. So it should not be available anywhere on the YouTube. So I have to just copy the link and I have to forward it to them. Then the last option it is public, that anyone can be able to see your video on the YouTube. So you can be able to choose any one of this option. But let me choose it as unlisted as of now, because I also want to check it out whether my video it has been added with all the right content. Once I will cross verify it, okay, then only I'm going to upload it. So once after selecting it as an unlisted, then you have an option as schedule. So in case if you are going to share it on public, you have an option as schedule, that is you can be able to fix the time at what time it has to be uploaded and should be uh, available on the YouTube. So you have heard about this instant premiere. That option will come only when you are chosen with public. Okay. So we are going to select with the respective option and click on save. So this is how a video can be created and it can be uploaded. So now it has been uploaded on my YouTube channel. So since it has been uploaded successfully, it has created the video link. You can be able to share it to all this thing. So as of now, I'll close it. So now the video it is available on your account. Okay. So we will have a 10 minutes of break and we will be come back and we will be continuing with the further things. Thank you all for being online. Hope people are there online. So can you confirm me that you are there online? As type it as yes. Okay, thank you for the confirmation, Ashika. Yes. So now I have been uploaded on video, but it is not available on the YouTube. So why it has not been available on the YouTube? Because I have been changed the visibility from public to unlisted. So if you make it as unlisted, it cannot be available on the YouTube channel. Okay. So before making it as public, let me go to the video and check it out whether the content whatever I have been added is it right. Okay. So once everything it has been confirmed, then you can go to the editor option on the left hand side. Please be online. Yeah, yeah, sorry for the inconvenience. So When you are going to edit of your video, so you have to click on the editor option. Make sure that all the content, the description of your video, add end note, so all this is confirmed that everything is okay. Then very important part is editor on the left hand side. If you click on that for the first time, it will be asking you to click on get started. So what are the things you can be able to edit it over here is, you can be able to trim and cut your content. So the video whatever you have been added, if you feel that something inside this it is not required, so you can be able to trim and cut that particular portion of your video. Then in case if there is a characters have been found, so you can be able to choose that particular characters, and you can be able to blur that face or any particular part of the image. Then if you want to add an audio to your video, so there are certain copyright violations will happen if you are going to use it with any of the music which is familiar with. Okay, so for that reason they have given certain stock audios, so you can be able to select it from this, and you can be able to add it to your existing video. Okay, so let me choose any. Okay, so let me add it to my video. Let me check with my video with audio. Okay, so this is how you can be able to add it. So this was all about the audio thing. Then the next thing is the end screen. So click on save. So it is going to take some time to get updated with your changes on your video. So it will take a few of the minutes. So meantime, we will see with the details of your video, then analytics of your video, that once it is been uploaded, so you have to, so you can be able to see that how many people have been viewed of my video, so how much time they have been spent on my videos. This is on your whole channel, it is not on specific particular video, so it is going to be on the whole channel. So how much views, so how many viewers you have been received, and how much watch time hours has been spent on your videos. Then how many subscribers have been subscribed your channel, so it is going to show with the date wise the period time. Then audience retention, that is the how many people have been again and again they have been come back to you, to your videos, so that it is going to be shown. Then you can be able to see that how much reach has been happened. So that is, it has been visualized on the YouTube. So then what is the click through rate? So how many of them have been clicked on your videos? So that is the calculations. Then how many viewers are there and how many unique viewers, that is, so views, it can be the number of people who are going to come again and again, also it may include it. Unique viewers means it is uh, how much, how many new people have been visited my channel and they have been viewed my videos, so that it can be explored. So like this, you can be able to check with all the necessary data. So how many of them have been engaged, that is with the call to action button. So what is the average view duration? Then what kind of audiences, that is how many of them have been repeated, unique, and the subscribers with the graphical representation. And what is the age and gender of the people who are visiting my videos, watching my videos, sorry. Then top geographies, that from which part of the world the people are watching my videos. Then what are the subtitle and the languages they are going to use it. So what is going to happen with all this uh, information is, we are going to get to know that what kind of people are visiting my channel and they are watching my videos. So if this is going to be uh, verified, or it can be referred, so that it will help us to create an advertisement. So whenever I want to reach my audiences, I will be knowing it whom to reach. So what categorize the people we can be able to reach it. So we will have a database. So these are all the things as a database. So which will help us to get more and more audiences, either in the organic way or on the inorganic way also. Okay. So this is analytics. Let me check it out in the editor. Is that being, it's still on the process. The next thing is comments. So what are the comments you are going to receive it from your viewer? So make sure that whatever the comments you are going to receive it, that is a review or comment. So make sure that you are going to respond to your comments and the reviews what you are going to receive it. So this will help to get a confidence on you by your subscriber, that there is someone who is going to get responded immediately if they want to know about anything. Okay. So if you think that there are certain contents which you want to go through with that, and then you want to review it, so then you can be able to select with as an held for review option, so that it is going to list out those comments which are kept it on the reviews. So the next thing is subtitles. You can be able to add the content. So on which language do you want to bring it, you can be able to select it. So still, if you want to add with any other languages, you can be able to add it. So you can be able to add the subtitle over here. So where you are going to write it manually means you can use this option. If you have been created any content on any specific format, then you can be able to upload it directly. The next thing is, you want to check it out that whether this video it is in copyright violation. So if it is found that copyright violation, it is going to get listed over here, and it gives a suggestion that how you can be able to get out of it from the copyright violation. The next, So still it is on the process. So let us wait for another 2 more minutes, so that if we found that the video is getting uploaded, so we will see that how we can be able to see the same video on a YouTube screen. So we will let us wait for another 2 3 minutes. So let me refresh the screen. So still it is taking some time. Fine. So since the content it is going to be little bit bigger, and the audio to be uploaded, it is going to take some time. So once it is going to be get uploaded, so we are going to get the information over here itself and reconfirm it. Once again you go to the edit option and you are going to make that it is everything is fine. Then you can be able to turn this from unlisted to public. Okay. So the next thing is, as we know that we can be able to find it out what are the videos we have uploaded, so whether it is there on the copyright violation or not. Then the monetization part, you can be able to get to know that within 1 year you are supposed to uh, get you are finished with your eligibility criteria. That is 1000 subscribers should be there, and those people should be unique subscribers, and 4000 watch hours. So 4000 watch hours you can be able to design it in such a way that every video you are going to upload it, it should be something around 10 to 15 minutes if you are going to take it. So around 15 into 4, so it will be 60. So 60 into 4000, nearly 400 videos if you are going to upload it. So it is going to be helpful to you to get this subscribers, and as well as with that the watch hours can be completed with this. Okay. So you try with this. Once you are eligible to claim your money, okay, so in that case you are supposed to be having an account in the YouTube's oh sorry, Google's one more product, that is, let me take you, called as AdSense account. So you should have an AdSense account open with this. So you should give your website address if you have it. So let me choose it that I don't have a website. So do you want any help from the AdSense? So you can say it as yes. Then to which country or territory you belongs to for your payment purpose. Then after accepting the conditions, click on I have read and accept the agreement, and click on start using AdSense account. So here you'll be able to know that how do you earn the money. So in what all the ways. So is it through the ads what it is going to run on your YouTube channel? So from which all the places you are going to get the ads. So on your website, which is that place do you want to keep it as an ad space? Okay, so that it is going to run the ad on that particular place itself. It has to be verified with your website. So you have the payment info screen. So in what account it has to be uploaded with the value of payment information. So you are going to choose with all these details and submit it. And once the verification also should be there with your identity. then you can be able to get to see with the information that how much you have been earned with. Okay. So this is how you are going to get connected with your any of your Google products if you are going to earn the money out of it, and it has to be connected with your Google AdSense, that is with your website, or it could be with your YouTube account. So any of this place you can be able to earn the money out of it. So I think still it has taken some time. Still the process is going on. So let it run. So once it is done, you are supposed to just check it out once again and run it. Okay. So in the next session, we are going to start with the advertisements. So how to run an ads of our business, of our YouTube channels, videos on the other channels. Okay, how to run my video as an ad on any other platform. Okay, so that we are going to see it in the next class. So if you have any doubt, you can be able to clarify it. So we'll take a minute of time. If there is no any questions, you can type it as no. If it is yes, please type the question. Is there any questions? You can raise it. If there is no questions, you can type it as no. Okay. So thank you, Christina. Thank you all. Have a wonderful time.